In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use paste special divide to convert Excel scores to percents. Open Microsoft Excel from the Start menu. Then load the workbook that contains your score sheet. Once the workbook is open, move to the sheet where the scores are listed. You should be able to see the score column with values that are currently entered as whole numbers. Now click an empty cell just to the right of the table. In this example, use cell E2. With E2 active, type 100, then press Enter. This number will act as the divisor for the conversion. After you press Enter, click back on cell E2 so that same cell is selected again. With E2 selected, press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Excel will place a moving border around the cell. That animated outline is the marching ants border, and it shows that the value 100 is now on the clipboard and ready to be used in the next action. Next, select the range of score values you want to convert. Click the first score cell, which is C2. Then hold Shift and click the last score cell, which is C11. That highlights the full range from C2 through C11, so Excel knows exactly which scores should be changed. Now open the Paste Special dialog. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. If that keyboard shortcut does not open the dialog, go to the ribbon instead. Click the Home tab. On the far left, find the Paste button, then click the small arrow under it. From that menu, click Paste Special. Once you do that, make sure the Paste Special dialog box appears on screen before moving on. Inside the Paste Special dialog, look at the Paste section at the top and leave all selected. That is the default setting, so in most cases you will not need to change anything there. Then move to the Operations section in the middle of the dialog and click Divide. This tells Excel to divide each selected score by the copied value, which is 100. After Divide is selected, click OK in the bottom right corner of the dialog. As soon as you confirm, the values in the score column change from whole numbers into decimals. A score like 85 becomes 0, 85. A score like 92 becomes 0, 92. The numbers are now stored in the proper decimal form that Excel uses for percentages, but they are not yet displayed with percent formatting. The score range should still be selected. If it is not, click C2, then hold Shift and click C11 again to reselect the full range. Once the range is active, go to the Home tab. In the number group, click the Percent Style button. This applies percentage formatting to the selected cells so the decimal values display as percents. If you prefer the keyboard method, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 5 instead. After you apply the formatting, the score column displays values like 85%, 92%, 78%, and the rest of the scores in the same proper format. This avoids the common issue where applying percent formatting directly to whole numbers would create incorrect results such as 8500% instead of 85%. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now clean up the helper cell you used for the division. Click cell E2, which is the helper cell created earlier. Press Delete to clear the 100 from that cell. Then press Escape to remove any remaining marching ants border from the copied cell and fully dismiss the clipboard selection. At this point, the conversion is complete. The score column now shows proper percentages instead of the original whole numbers. If you click any of the converted score cells and look at the formula bar, you will see the underlying decimal value, such as 0, 85, while the cell itself displays 85%. That means the values have been converted correctly and formatted correctly. With the helper cell cleared, the worksheet is clean and ready to share.